Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're back with another how to create upcycled puppets. Yes! Okay, we're here doing this. This is a cheerleader, but it's a very specific time of the year cheerleader. You ready? Go! Go! It is hot in here. Whew! Okay, let's see if he does another one. She does another one. Is it a different song? Okay, let's see if there's a third one. Hold on. Phew! Okay, I think we're done. I think we're done. There we go. Woo! Okay. I think that's it. Let's see here. Hold on a second. Let's figure out the best way to do this. By the way, this is a Gemmy Industries Corp. Another one. Wow. Quite a few of these. And I don't know that I'm going to be able to get the feet off of this. So I think what I'm going to do is what I've done recently. And that is to cut the feet off. So we're just going to go ahead and cut the bottom of the toy right out of this little deal here. Trying to save as much material as possible. So much that oh, there we go. Okay. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get inside of it. Hang on. Let's see here. There we go. Just cut the feet off is what I'm doing. That's usually the easiest way. That's what I did on a couple of the most recent Elmo dolls, is just cut the feet off that make a little Elmo pants. And it worked out pretty well, so I've been doing it on some of these other dolls that have these weird feet. Now, this one has a little mouth, but I doubt it works. And what's funny is I'm barely pulling on this thing, and it's coming right off. Look at that. Wow. This is really easy. This one worked out really well. If I get 2 fingers up there, and we'll do 2 fingers on that side to make a bigger arm. And there we go. Look at this. Woo! 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 Look at that. I'm a cheerleader. I'm a cheerleader. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, that worked out pretty well. And then this thing is still works, so all I have to do is do this. Ready? There we go. Creepy. Yeah. It's Christmas. Ooh. He's Santa. Yay! All right. Hey, thank you very much, guys and gals, for coming along in this journey. For those of you who've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. Woo! For those of you who are new to the channel, thanks for coming by. But hey, don't forget to subscribe for those updates. And I'm getting my radio voice there. And that's it. We got the cheerleader going here, and we want to give you a cheer as you leave to go on to your next video. Thank you very much. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.